Hi, I'm Carrie Lawless, and today I have a charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath home to show you, so conveniently located right here in the heart of Slidell. This home features an attached garage, great curb appeal, a roof that's only 4 years old. The inside is fantastic. It has a great backyard and a detached workshop. There's so much to see here. Let's go in and take a look. As you step through the front door, right here to your right will be the enclosed garage, and then you step right into this wide open living space. I love how much room there is in here. There's this fabulous step ceiling with crown molding to elevate the space, and then there's even this charming fireplace with the granite surround, and then right out here to my right are French doors letting in lots of natural light and providing a great view to that charming backyard that we'll see in just a minute. All right, let's keep going. Right off of the living room is the breakfast area and kitchen. This space is so quaint. It's light, bright, and airy, and can even accommodate a larger size table for additional seating. Now we step into the kitchen. The neutral colored tile is so beautiful. I love the warmth of the rich tone of this wood cabinetry. We have granite countertops, and for those of you who love to cook on gas, we have a gas range here. There is so much to love about this kitchen, and there's still lots more to see. In addition to that breakfast area, there's also this formal dining space. So this can accommodate a larger table than the breakfast area. But what's great about it is it's a great flex space. So currently it's being used as a home office and coffee bar. So great to have options with so many people working from home these days. Let's go take a look at the bedrooms. Now we're headed back to the front of the house, and right here is a coat closet for great storage. Then we are in the first of the 3 bedrooms. This room is a great size. I love that double window letting in all this natural light. And then there's a nice size closet right here to my right. Now as we head back down this hallway, right here is your linen closet, and then we have the shared bath. So this has an oversized vanity that has plenty of drawer storage. There's a tub and shower combination, and I love the neutral tile, and it has a great neutral color on the walls. Now as we head further down, we are going into the second of the 3 bedrooms. It's basically a mirror image of the other room as far as the size goes. So as you can see, there is so much in here. We have a queen size bed, a full desk setup, and even additional furniture, and there's a nice size closet. Another great thing about these bedrooms is it's all hard surface flooring, no carpet. All right, we're gonna go check out that primary suite. Another great feature of this home is that it offers a split floor plan. So we are all the way in back of the house now, which gives privacy to the primary suite. Another great thing about this room is that it is very spacious. This is a king size bed. There is literally furniture all the way around this room, and it still has plenty of space. It also has these 2 windows that not only let in lots of natural light, but give a great view of that peaceful backyard, which we're gonna see in just a minute, but the ensuite is next. This ensuite features a stand-up shower right here to my left, and then a massive vanity. There is so much storage here, it lines the entire wall, as does this huge mirror. But my favorite thing about this space is this walk-in closet behind me. It is absolutely huge. All right, let's go take a look at that backyard next. Right outside of the back door is this fabulous concrete covered patio. It has all these little nooks and areas which are great for outdoor living. It even has a great spot for grilling. And now we're in the backyard. This is such a wonderful space. It's fully fenced all the way around, and it even has a workshop with electricity. This house has so much to offer. Make your appointment today. My name is Carrie Lawless.